Hello to all my friends out there. Today is the day that just won't end. Have you ever had a day that just won't end? Okay, I'm happy because I found the Himalaya store and I bought the cute little teacups, and this is a candle I bought. You know, I love candles. Okay, this is a vase I bought. And what is significant about this vase is I was tired. Yesterday I was tired, and today I was tired because I had insomnia. So I guess it was 2 days ago, I saw this vase. Well, it was a candy bowl thing, and I thought, I'm just too tired to mess with that thing 2 days ago. So I thought, well, I'll go back and I'll get it. Ooh, isn't this candle so beautiful? I will be buying so much stuff from his store. I wanted to tear the store up and buy all kinds of things, and I thought just buy a couple things and, go back and buy some more stuff. I saved my black tea that I bought at the Himalaya shop. Where is my black tea? If I drank this, I'll just take a little sip. If I drank that, I would never sleep again. Really, I think I'm allergic to coffee and tea. But this kind is herbal, and so, I can get away with drinking it. So I went to buy this candy dish, and I tried to show you guys what I've been doing all month in case some of you want to follow suit. And so I had quite a bit of extra money because I sold stuff on eBay. So it was gone, and I was walking over to my car, and I thought, well, you might as well go to the Salvation Army. And I thought, well, I don't want to. I'm really too exhausted. And so I saw they had this thing for $15, the same exact price as the other item I was going to buy. And I brought it home, and I said to my son, what am I going to do? I took it into the Himalayan shop, and he said, well, it's plastic. And I thought, well, yeah, I see a seam, and it very well could be. So I said to my son, what am I going to do? And my son says, well, go online and see what you can find. Well, I found this exact vase for $450. Mine was chipped, so I thought, a little chip here on the base. So I offered mine $250 free shipping, and I divulged the chip. Possible somebody might give me a bid. So that was like what you call doing it anyway when you're too exhausted. Okay, so now for my basic meal, when I was shopping at the thrift store, when I was too exhausted, let me taste this. I gotta keep my eye on this tripod. This is my new recipe for turkey burgers. That is the best turkey burger I ever made in my life. When I was shopping, when I was too exhausted to shop, I got this book, this recipe book for $2, and it flipped open to this recipe. And what this recipe says is grind turkey thighs. I'll be packing my freezer full of them, and I'll be grinding them. I just cut them in cubes, and I grind them in my blender. But here is the recipe I used. I tried to get ricotta cheese. I couldn't get any, so I just used my mozzarella cheese, which I wisely stockpiled. Okay, now I have canned corn that I bought at, I think it was Walmart. Where's my canned corn? I can't easily find it, but it's canned corn from Walmart. And then I had a little package of these instant potatoes. Oh, here's my corn. I might have bought this at Aldi's. I try not to pay more than 50 cents. I buy these for $1, add water only. I think I bought them at Walmart. So this is your basic dinner, and what happened about 5 days ago, my neighbor brought me this delicious little dinner. These potatoes are good, you guys. Add water only. Okay, now let me show you something. Here is my dessert. This is my Jell-O that's not ready yet. Usually I put yogurt on top, but I found out I'm fine with no yogurt. Okay, today I found grass-fed beef, $5 a pound at grocery outlet. So I got 2 of those. Then I stockpile lunch meat, ham and turkey, 2 packages. Then I bought 2 packages of this cheese, $2. I bought 2 packages of mozzarella cheese. I just keep them in the freezer. I bought 2 packages of string cheese because you can substitute some cheese for your meat. Also, that's a very tasty turkey burger. And then I stockpiled 3 of these. One was provolone. I ate a lot of it. So that's what I stockpiled. Okay, so now I want to mention something. Oh, and when I was at the Himalayan shop, I bought some kind of a pear. And if I'm in the mood, I will eat it. Okay, I saw some really good videos today. 1 egg and ham and a bit of jam. 2nd end of the month recipes, and one was the eggs and the lunch meat, ham. Why didn't I think of this when I was suffering on the diet yesterday? And the other one was kind of a beef scramble over rice, which is really good. So check out Jan of New York City Saves Money. Okay, Dia's Frugal Life. Dia is having surgery on Friday, so all my lovable followers pray for her, and if you can get a chance, give her a heart so she'll know we're all praying for her. Okay, here is the cutest video on the internet. Budget Backyard Tea Party, Tea and Cookies by Make It Enough. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. With her little kids. I follow Roseanne Barr. I enjoy her videos. Okay, and then here's a really good video. TJ Preps. Pork prices have drastically risen in China. What is going to happen when China doesn't have any pork? Mention was made they're eating dog. That's not funny. Well, what's going to come happening is they're going to be knocking at our door, and you know what's going to happen? We've had 20% of our pork drown, and it's going to go to the highest bidder. That's what's going to happen. So start packing your freezer full of bacon, full of pork chops, full of ham, and full of sausage. That's what I'm doing. I'm preparing for the worst. I'm taking no chances going everything is going to be fine. And you know, if you can earn yourself a little extra money, it couldn't hurt. Okay, you guys. And I think one of the smartest things is to strengthen up nutritionally, go back to basic food, meat, potatoes, vegetables, milk, cheese, good bread, high quality fat, stockpile up. You know, I always used to say stockpile mixed vegetables. No, I changed that. Start with corn because you're going to need corn if you have to eat your beans. God forbid. Okay, now I'm so happy I found the Himalaya store. I have gotten some nice stuff there. I'm going to be getting some more nice stuff there, and I will show you when I get it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.